In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Borrowell account password. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google. So what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in borrowell.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Borrowell. So if you want to reset your password, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Borrowell. So if you want to reset your password, click on this option reset password that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to reset the Borrowell password. All you have to do is enter your email address where the instructions will be sent. So simply enter your email address over here. Now click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now in order to reset your password, you'll have to check your email. So go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now the Gmail will be opened. You'll be able to see the email sent by the Borrowell over here. What you have to do is click on it. After you do that, you'll be able to see the instructions over there. Simply follow through the instructions, set the new password for yourself and confirm the new password. After you do that, new password will be reset for you. So like this, you'll be able to reset the password. So that is how you reset Borrowell account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.